Occasionally, judges don't have the time, the experience, and the abilities to understand the issues that are presented to them. One would, and you only have to read some of the recent decisions here in Madrid and Spain to know that. One would think that that would encourage parties to reconsider proceeding to litigation and take advantage of other options such as arbitration and ADR. To some extent they have, but perhaps not as much as they might. That may, however, be a trend in the future. Arbitration is functioning fairly well in Spain. There are some soft spots, but essentially it's functioning well. ADR is still a very long-term project in this country and in many countries of Latin culture. There are reasons to think that it will be a long-term process before mediation takes hold, and the force will have to come from internal counsel. External counsel have limited ability to persuade. Perhaps they can persuade clients to try once or twice, but it's the clients who need to drive the issue, and that could take some time in this country. We see a lot of opportunity in the area of arbitration, both commercial and investment. Spain is now a very important respondent or defendant in investment arbitration, but Spanish companies have always been very active and will continue to be as claimants in investment arbitration. And the experience and expertise that Spanish law firms have acquired and are acquiring in this area can help them advise non-Spanish investors and advise, including even countries other than Spain. Substantively, we see the oil and gas and energy world in particular as rife with conflict and potential conflict and disputes, typically resolved by arbitration, and M&A related shareholder joint venture disputes also could be very active in the coming months. Law firms and litigators face problems with fees these days. That it used to be that you could issue your quarterly or monthly invoice to a client in a litigation matter without explanation, without a budget, without a problem. It's very rare today that you can do that. You need to budget previously, you need to respect that budget, and if you exceed the budget, there's a certain amount of explanation that's required. So life is not as easy for the lawyer in the law firm as it used to be. And as for law firms in general, there is a problem of retaining and promoting talent, and the difficulty of promoting makes it harder to attract and to retain. Those are issues that have to be addressed beyond the litigation context. That's simply sort of a global law firm issue for the coming years.